Hey friends, so I came earlier than expected to pick up the kids from school. I can't wait to hang out with them. We're just gonna watch movies for Halloween. Yeah, so I'm here. Check out what I got. All this. I like to mix my corn in a cup with hot Cheetos. The best snack ever. And a watermelon drink. First, I like to get all the good stuff mixed in there. I have to do it right here on the side so that it doesn't fall all over the table. Do you see that? Let me know who eats this also, because I feel like a lot of people don't. I like to mix mine with hot Cheetos. So, about to do that. Use my cup to hold it. I'm just gonna pour. Pour it in there. Just some, and I don't like to put the juice of the corn. I don't want my chips to be all soggy. Put a little bit more. See how it looks. Yum. See, if I was to get more subscribers, I would be going live for a long time, all day, every day. Maybe not all day, every day, but you know, it'd be fun to hang out with you guys while I eat. Cheers. I'm gonna start doing some ASMR videos. So good. I'm back. Had to get a straw. I don't know if I'm doing that right. Clock it. So good. So a little bit about me. I just started my YouTube, something I've been wanting to do. I don't have no social media. So yeah, this is my only excitement. I watch a lot of podcasts, a lot of motivational videos. So yeah, please subscribe. Peace.